A no-name flash drive, 32 gigabytes supposedly. A few years ago, owner got a hold of about 10 of those for free and decided to use them for storage for his photographs. So he copied all the photos from his computer to the flash drives and just put them in a safe. And now he needed the data, he needed the photos, pulled the drives out of safe, plugged it in, and can't read it. The computer indicates that the USB device plugged in, but it doesn't mount, and it is recognized as a generic name. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, or was it recognized a different name, but it doesn't report the proper capacity as well. So we're gonna have to figure out how to retrieve the data from this flash drive. And in order to do that, we need to take it apart and see what the controller is, what the chip is, and if it is possible to desolder the chip and basically do the chip off recovery. So we're gonna try to pry out the rear end cap. Seems like it's coming off. Yeah. That was a fake one. Look at this. Just a cap. Let's try the front one. Yeah, you don't want to stick it too deep. You can damage the components. Seems like it's a full-size PCB, which is good. Coming apart. Typical generic flash drive. Let's see what the inside reveals. Oh well. We're lucky it's not encapsulated. Let's take a closer look. Alright, now we know it's not encapsulated and it's not a monolithic. We're going to take this chip off and we're going to try to identify it in a special reader and then try to find out the configuration.